term. It will be useful for different purposes like plowing the field, leveling the soil, seedling, spraying water, chemicals, fertilizers, insecticides, for all the purposes without using different machines. We can use this machine for all the purposes. When this machine is moving, it will plow the ground. If we want to level it, we have to replace the leveler and we can level it. If he want to harvest, he has to harvest it. He has to place harvester here and he can harvest it. Whatever farmer want to do, he has to replace the machine there and he can do the work. There will be two chambers. One is water chamber and one is seed chamber. Water chamber stores water, chemicals, fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides. Seed chamber stores seeds. There will be pipes. When this machine is moving in oscillatory motion, through the holes of the pipes, these pipes supplies seeds and that pipe supplies water to the sowed seeds. At a time, two works are going to done. So farmer can save his money, time and energy. This can be run by solar energy as well as electrical energy. It has a camera through which farmer can view its functioning without getting into the field by sitting somewhere near the field. It has a farmer will keep portable DVD with him and he can observe what is the process going on the field.